Hi, it's Wick and Helen with Camino Provisions.
We've had a lot of interest written to us on Facebook about how to use your poles, and would we do some instruction on that. And we never want to say there's only one way to use your poles
Right.
or one kind of pole that's the best, but we can tell you from experience now for 18 years of using these poles, how they benefit us the most, and also how they might benefit you the most when used in the way we're going to show you. First, you want your poles to be the length that creates a 90-degree angle with your elbow for your arm. Do this by adjusting wherever your poles have adjustments to lengthen and shorten. In the beginning, don't even swing your arms. Don't try to place the pole in any particular way. And when you're comfortable, just start swinging your arms in a natural walking motion. Do not grasp or grip the handle. Leave your hands open. Let the poles just be attached to your wrist, and when you're able, go ahead and lightly grip the poles. Very lightly grip. Otherwise you'll be sore. Your arms will be sore. And if you ever start getting out of rhythm, just go back to dragging your poles, not moving your arms. When you can comfortably walk this way without getting out of rhythm, trying to place your poles in a way that is not helpful, go out for some walks and see how you do. When you come to a descent or ascent, we detach our hands out of the hand straps and hold the poles, shorten our stride, and make sure we have good contact with our poles, and just take it easy going down a steep hill like this one. We just take our time, and then coming up as well. And when you get to the top and you're back on level ground, you can go ahead and put your hands back in the straps. This is just a really good safety measure. Not everybody agrees with this, but it has served us well. It means you're not attached to your poles if you were to fall. You don't want to be attached to your poles when you fall. We've heard about broken arms, broken legs. Now I'm getting ready to go up this hill, so I detached from my poles, and I'm coming up. And now I'm going to put the rubber feet onto the carbide tips because I'm getting ready to go onto a hard surface. I don't want to click, clack, click, clack. So now I'm going to adjust the direction of the little rubber feet boot, and do that by just stepping on it and turning it the way it needs to be. I can put my hands back in the hand straps, and here I go. Hey, thanks so much for watching, everybody, and look for us on other social media. Tell your friends about us. We want to help as many people as we can who are walking the Camino. Buen Camino.